Hey everyone, it's Brad Witzel, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at the Hill Center on January 22nd to talk about the best practices in mathematics interventions. We'll be talking about research-supported instruction, informed instruction using formative assessments so we can get to the error pattern analysis to determine what exactly students needs. Good news is, no matter what grade level you work with, if you work across multiple grade levels, we've got you covered. We're going to talk about the progressions across multiple grade levels, how we can build students up from anywhere from birth up through 18, and Algebra 2 is our main goal we got for most of our students. We're also going to talk about excellent instructional practices you can put into place using visuals, concrete visual abstract sequence of instruction, and again, how to get kids involved in the mathematics and get them back up to where they need to be. Well, I look forward to seeing you all soon.